And this is a 2003 4Runner V8 Sport Edition. That's important because the brakes are different on any other edition. So this one has a 338 millimeter rotors. All the other 4Runners have smaller brakes. And so these part numbers I'm showing you, make sure that this will fit your application. You have 338 millimeter rotors. GoPro battery life, ridiculous. Dude, I just replaced your sister. Why are you not coming on? Everybody hates me. There's a lot of pressure on here. Okay, got mine. $13 smoothie, 2 rusty nuts, the ambulance, the welder. What does that mean? We only have 13 minutes, actually less than. Is the date right on this thing? Who knows? Oh, I hope so. CJ would get mad if it's not. Okay, so we're gonna do as much as we can as fast as we can. Okay, now these brakes look a lot worse than they did. I'll turn the steering wheel. All right, 19 or 17, which one are you? We'll try 19 first. Nope, 17. We're gonna need some lights. Okay, you need to figure out how to stay, because I don't wanna go get a stand. That's acceptable, I think. Oh. Oh my God. He didn't stay. This setup might work if I had a little more space. 17. We do want to take this off first. So, Rancho was nice enough not to give us caps for this. Look, I can put my bolts in there. Hey, you gonna come off now? Let's try you in there as well. Oh, I like this. All right, so let's take a look at our pads. See where we're most of the way out. There's no wear indicators. Let's see if we're rubbing on our squeakers. Squeaker says almost. Like we're super close here. Just hang right there for a second. See how close we really are. Not quite there. Oh my gosh. Can you see that? Not quite there, but it's really close. All right, do we zip tie you or just let you hang? I guess I'll let you hang. Okay. Let's take a look at these rotors. Not terrible, but we can definitely tell something's going on in the middle. Okay, now what I forgot is my cardboard, so I can do my brake cleaning. And we'll take this opportunity to change this SD card out. Okay, it looks like this light is going to be a problem for recording. Maybe if we can just throw it in here. It's still, I mean, it's not great, dude. Guess y'all gonna look at my back again. That's better. I like that better. Okay, brake clean. Okay, hopefully the air compressor is not too loud. All right, missing one thing. Okay, pressure's going. I think I have everything I want. All right, so first thing I want to do is clean our mating surface. And I just use the box that the brakes came in when I, clean it. I did check this off camera before, but our wheel hub feels nice, right? Our hub bearing, everything feels okay. So you want to get all the dust and debris and rust and everything you can off your mating surface, so when you put your rotor on there, it'll be flat. All right. This is also a good time to clean and paint your calipers. So I've done this before, where I just kind of mock everything up. I leave the old pads on to do my cleaning and painting. I mean, they're brake calipers, so I don't make these like powder coated, whatever, high temp, super duper, because in 60 to 80,000 miles, I'm just gonna do it again. And it's also not a show car, so. All right, where's our paint? I don't even know what kind of paint this is. It's black, I know it's black. Paint right over that brake dust. Guarantee that's not gonna stick. Should be painting these control arms too. So I do have this, which I should have used this before I painted. So if there's any big, you know, things that rust on there, that would take care of it. All right, are we satisfied? I think I'm satisfied right now. I wonder, since I have this mocked up, if I should go ahead and take these pads off as it's mocked up. Let's do that. Where's my pad tool? You know, I bought this thing because I knew I was gonna be able to use it. But every time I get it, there's a reason why I can't. Okay, this is all the way in. What the hell? Somebody help me here. That goes out, that's all the way in. It's just not, I guess there's more than one size to this thing, and I need to get the smaller size. I think last time I tried to use this, it wasn't big enough. All right, we need to take our little clippy-doos off. Man, that compressor is loud. Now, I tell you, this needle nose pliers is designed specifically for this. It's funny, because I actually thought about cutting this off and grinding it to where I could use it properly. Okay, where are we gonna put these at? These seem like something I don't want to lose. Come on now. Well, that's broken. Messed up a brand new paint job. Finally, compressor's off. Okay, we're gonna stick you up here. This, I don't know what happened here, but I'm pretty sure that's not normal. Since you won't fit in there. You had a good run. Dream Z36. So will you go in there now? Yes, you will. Okay, so now let's do your ratcheting thing. You know, go you know, kind of ratchet your way out here. You know, like click click, and then, you know, I don't know what's happening. Ugh. Why are we struggling so much? Oh, there we go. Finally. Hope that paint's dry. We got more paint. Okay, if you like that tool, OMT something. I don't see a part number. Oh my God, so much noise. Okay. Why are there two Otises on here? I feel like that's excessive. I feel like this used to be down here somewhat. Yeah, that got moved somehow. Okay, well, we have a little bit of line. We got a little bit of life left. All right, what do we want to do? Clean this a little bit and blow it out. Let's spray it on our brand new paint job. Okay, how we doing on time? 10 minutes, 15. Oh, okay, new hardware. This is great, because I was gonna... Whoa, what's your problem now? I don't know if it's a heat or what, but these batteries, man, at least the 7 lasts longer, I think. All right, I managed to find a battery. CJ actually did a fairly decent job, and we have all our batteries in one location. Okay, so new hardware. If you need to buy this separately, which you probably don't ever, there's the part number. One of those, one of these. Oh, it even comes with the baby clips. And I want to put a little lube in here. Break caliper grease. Now, you really only want to stick it in the hole. Well, actually, it needs to go in all of it. But the problem is, if you get too much, it'll cake up on there. This is a new technique I invented. It's called twist and shout. But you're only going to shout if you pinch yourself. One of these is the correct pads. Here's the part number if you need that. Don't think we have any. Oh, okay. This has a squealer on it. Okay, so we do have errors. Which way's outside and which way's inside? I don't know. This needs to come out. You need to come out. And we want to put a little bit of grease on the back. You can also apply it directly to your hoodises there if you want. Oh, that's a lot. And then a little tiny bit on these. These brakes actually come with a thing of silicone, so you don't have to have your own. We're going to put the squealers on the outside. Don't. Uh-oh. Pause. Okay, I forgot to say something. This is a 2003 4Runner V8 Sport Edition. That's important because the brakes are different on any other edition. So this one has a 338 millimeter rotors, which I will check right now to see if these match, and they do. All the other 4Runners have smaller brakes. So I don't know if the pads are different. So these part numbers I'm showing you, make sure that this will fit your application. You have 338 millimeter rotors. The other ones don't work. The pads, I don't know if they're the same or not. Post down in the comments if the pads that you know are the same on the Sport Edition versus every other 2003 to 09 4Runner. Okay, where were we? We were lubing our pads. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. That seems like a lot. And this will help prevent any additional squealing when you hit the brakes. Okay, I'm not liking what in the world happened to these pads. Look at that. Look at all those. It's like somebody was beating on this with a hammer. That's not good. That is not good. You should go right in that hole without much trouble here. What did you do? Make sure you don't have any grease on your glovage. There, you're in. You're not in. Don't get grease on that pad, ding-a-ling. There we go. Are we safe to put on our new clippies? Clippy-doo, clippy-doo. If I were a clip, I'd want to be you. Oops, not that clip, because he just fell. Oh no, don't go. You can do it, guy. You can do it, buddy. You can get in there. Come on now. Yeah, oh, that feels better. Where did you go? Okay. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah. Much better. All right, so now we have these hoodises. Okay, there is only one per side. And you're supposed to go inside there. Ding-a-ling. Ding-a-ling. Ring-a-ling. Is that right? Why does that not look right? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Are you sure that's right? Why do I feel like you're supposed to go in somewhere? Something's not right. Okay, that doesn't seem exactly right to me. I feel like these should be going into something. My old one was broken, so I can't use it as a reference. There's no real instructions. Does it go in the hole? It doesn't really seem like it fits in the hole. Okay, well, one of you smart people out there, tell me the orientation of this. Okay, pull this off. Let you hang right there. Let's change our gloves. Make sure we got clean gloves on. So far, this little roller drawer is working out. CJ, do something funny with that. You need to go to the other side. So we'll put you so we don't damage our pads. Front passenger side, this has to be correct. Okay. Now, let's take, you guys are seeming a little dry there. You know how we like our anti-seize around here. Just a little, just a baby bit. You're dripping, must be hot out here. Whoa! Okay, time to pause. Okay, did we tighten this down? I don't remember. All right, now we need to check and make sure this rotor's okay. The only thing is, like, if it's not okay, it's still going on because I need the truck. Okay, you, sir, go here-ish. Still kind of wobbly-do. All right, and then you don't lose your washers. Oh, you got a little bug. Where'd you come from, little buddy? Uh-oh. Okay, so if this is going to be like that, then you need to have this. Okay, this is not going to work. It needs to be flipped. We lost the washer. Don't let me forget that washer. Go inside there. You're supposed to get it 90 degrees. I'm having a real hard time getting it to where it's supposed to be. Okay, I think that's good. I'm horrible at this. Okay. We're 0 there. Are we going to hit anything? Okay, that might work. Okay, we're almost at 0. We're close. Okay. Oh, I hit something. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're within 4 thousandths. I think that's good. Let's see, which one is the high side? More battery issues. Great. That's the high side. So what you're telling me is if I torque my lug nuts, it'll be right. We're good with that. Let's get our stuff on here. It was clean. I'm glad I checked before. Don't put anti-seize on brake caliper bolts because you don't want them to come out. You can put some thread sealer on there, and I don't think we're doing that right at this moment. Oh, I can't see. I can't see. You can't see. The timer's gonna go off, I bet. Okay, now we'll do some brake pumpage to suck that in. Oh, timer. Okay. All right, that's good. Now, oh, I should have turned it. We ready to put the wheel on? Let's do this. Battery is 42%, and you've been running for 10 minutes. Okay, don't let me forget to put that bolt in there. Oops. Let's put that bolt in there while we're here. Better not be cross-threaded. Let's take care of some of this grease that's floating around in here. Only thing we need to do is the zip tie over there. I'll probably do that last. Don't be losing your lug nuts, ding-a-ling. Get on there. You're missing one, dude. Where's your lug nut? What? What's your problem? What was your problem? You got 14 hours left. You should have no problems. None. Okay, where's that lug nut? And why are you not where you're supposed to be? Where did it go? Oh. So we'll find it later. Oh, temperature. Dude, it's only 80 degrees outside. Come on, give me a break. Okay, we're gonna move to the driver's side. I'm probably gonna back this up and turn it this way so I get a little more room over there because I need room for the tripod. This almost works out perfect. Everything we need, there's that lug nut. Doofus. Should be right here. Okay, where'd I put my adapter? Everything you need should be right here. Come on. We're gonna have to torque these. That's good. Right here. Everything you need, right here. Now, roll to the other side. You know, I turned that wheel because I needed it turned. You're dead. Very cooled off now. All right, so let's check this side. That feels tight. Yep, we're good. I feel like we're good. All right, looks like we got plenty of anti-seize on this side. Okay, rotor's looking about the same. Oh, do I clean this now? I guess we can spray it off more than once. We need to take that rotor off for sure. So no, don't clean it now. Take the rotor off first. Put it in our Rancho cup. Since Rancho can't come up with a cap, it's kind of weird. Or at least it didn't come in my kit. I feel like my light should be up higher. Then I'll have to have another tripod. Okay. Everything's over here, except for my air hose. Now you're just playing around. Knocking paint off you shouldn't be knocking off. Okay. See, it goes in the hole. Told you it goes in the hole. I guess I gotta bend it or whatever. All right, we need a GoPro brake. Okay, don't get mad at me, but I cheated a little bit. I cleaned this and played around off camera slightly, not much. Please tell me you're good. It's less than 25% battery. Okay, we're at the painting stage. Yeah, I wanted to get this kind of set so it can dry while we're taking our GoPro break. So the GoPros can cool themselves. I guess so I can cool myself too. Okay, battery's low. That concerns me. Okay, so I'm gonna run through this pretty quick because I did all the details on the other side. So we're just gonna run through and get this side done. That, and I'm pretty much out of time. In 30 minutes, I gotta get ready for church. Okay, so this pad has a chunk missing for whatever reason, but it looks pretty good. And it looks to be the same about as the other side. So what that tells me is that I don't have a caliper problem, like a stuck caliper. Battery low. Dumb. Okay, well, I guess we're doing battery break. Battery break. It's like a potty break. GoPros are like my children. Dad, I need a battery break. Dad, I'm too hot. Yeah. Should be good. Let's run through this like we intended. All right, I saw the error my way is in the last one. So you go in here, you go in there, and then we're gonna rotate you down. Go in there, stay. Jack stands. Okay, that wraps it up for the front brakes. Well, that was pretty quick. Now I'm gonna turn around and we're gonna do the rear, but I actually have to get ready to go. So this is gonna be an afternoon project. Okay, Troy's here. We're actually working on the Jeep.